Calibrating your linear for throttle or clutch position is critical to understanding the input properly. In this example, we will be calibrating throttle position on a V300SD. Right-click on the throttle position channel and verify that the sensor is set to voltage. Let's add another decimal place so that we can obtain the voltage with more resolution. Press Send Configuration. Press OK. Press OK in the VNet Input Channel Parameters window. Save the configuration. Now you'll want to start a telemetry session to view the linear's voltages live in the DataLinkII software. Once the telemetry session starts, click on the throttle position channel to monitor the voltage. With the throttle pedal at rest, record the voltage you observe. Write down the voltage as we will need to use this later for the calibration. Now move the throttle to wide open. Observe the wide open throttle voltage and write it down. Stop and close the telemetry session. In the dialog box, you can select No, we do not need to save the data. We are now going to update the throttle position channel with the voltages we've observed during the telemetry session. In the top right of the window, we will be entering our data into the Specify Linear conversion boxes. For raw data value A, enter the voltage when the throttle was at rest. For raw data value B, enter the voltage when the throttle was at wide open. Change the will become value to 100 to represent 100% throttle input. Below that, change the maximum to 110. This will allow you to see the line on the graph when it is at 100% throttle input. You can also change the decimal after to 1 since we do not require that much resolution at this point. Send configuration and press OK. Press OK to close out of the channel parameters window. Save again. We can now start another telemetry session to verify that the throttle position has been set up correctly. Make sure to left-click on the throttle position channel so we can watch the data live on the graph. At rest, the channel should be relatively close to 0%. Go wide open and verify that it goes to 100%. Go ahead and put the throttle back to rest. You can repeat as necessary to verify functionality. Stop and close out of the telemetry session. No need to save again. You have now calibrated the throttle position.